Welcome to PBS LearningMedia. Here you will find free, standard-aligned videos, interactives, lesson plans, and more for teachers and parents like you. This tutorial will look at how to use favorites and folders to organize resources. To use favorites and folders in PBS LearningMedia, you'll first want to make sure you are signed into your account. If you need to create an account, take a look at our tutorial on creating accounts. Keeping the resources you want to use organized is easy in PBS LearningMedia. When viewing a resource, you'll find the option to favorite it on the left side of the screen. Click the heart icon to favorite the resource. If viewing a collection, you'll find the favorite button along the top underneath the title. Once you have favorited resources, you can find them by going to the top right corner of the screen and clicking your name. In the drop-down menu, select Favorites. On the Favorites page, you can view and sort your favorites. You also have the option of adding resources other than those found in PBS LearningMedia by clicking the Add a Link button. To the right of each favorited resource is a text box where you can add notes. You can select individual favorites by checking the box next to each one, or you can select all of them by checking the Select All box. Once you have favorites selected, you can select the Delete Favorite or Add to Folder buttons. Notice that despite having resources selected here, the Add to Folder button is still grayed out. That's because I have not created a folder yet, so there is no folder to send the favorites to. Let's take a look at how to create a folder. To get to the folder page, you can click Folders along the left side of the screen. You can also go to the top right corner of the screen, select your name, and then select Folders. On the Folders page, click the blue Add a New Folder button to create a folder. You'll need to give the folder a name and can provide a description if you like, then click Save. Once you have a folder created, you can return to the Favorites page, select one or more favorites, and the Add to Folder button will be available. To view the resources inside a folder, go to the Folders page, click the folder name, and then click the blue View Folder button. There is no limit to the number of favorites or folders you can create. If you'd like to share your folder with someone else, you can do so by sending them a link. The link you send will only let others see what is in the folder. They will not be able to add or remove resources. On the Folders page, you can find the link to your folder by clicking on the folder name to expand its information. Here you will see a folder URL that you can share with others. The folder URL is also displayed at the top of the page when viewing the contents of your folder. Any notes that you add to resources will be visible to others when you share your folder. That's all for this tutorial. If you'd like to continue learning about how to use PBS LearningMedia, check out our other tutorials or visit the PBS LearningMedia help page. Thanks.